represent inmates. Excuse me. Too much to say. That's been wow. Thank you, Hazel. That's been part of my mission. And representing poor people through the Legal Services Corporation. It was about making people's lives better. And it taught me that even if you're young and you don't have a powerful job, if you work at it, you stick with it, you can make a difference. You know, thank you, thank you. Thank you. You're a great amen chorus. Thank you. You know, to quote Dr. King, the time is always ripe to do right, no matter who you are. And when I had the great privilege of representing New York, I worked with members of our congressional delegation